Alright, so I wanted to show how these little pills went in there. And what I did right here is, I hope that wire's not in the way too much. So I bent this track down right here and slid them pills in from the end here. Okay, and it's being stopped by this pin, but the other way to do it is to drill out this pop rivet and put a new pop rivet in there when you're done. But I opted to just bend that down. You can bend it back up real easy with some vice grips. Alright, so when you get the pills slid in, which you have to slide the one in the front first. Okay, I slid it all the way across, and I put the vice grip, not the vice grips, I put these pliers in this hole here and clicked it together. Now just be reminded at this time that when you have both of these guide track arms here are disengaged, the window will fall down. So you will have to hold the window up, and what I did was I stuck my hand in here all the way across like this and held it up like this and helped guide this one in at the same time as putting those channel lock pliers on there and clicking it into position. Now when you're clicking it in the hole, all you're doing, and get it out with one hand, all you're doing is clicking it in that little hole there. There we go. That's how it sets in there. The larger size hole goes out and you click that little knob into there. Now I had ordered these off of eBay, and the picture on eBay was orange and the ones I got was white. Now that is no surprise to me, but these larger nylon pucks here are a little better than the small round ones that you get from Dorman. So these are the ones that I'm using. We'll see how it goes. This is the method that I use to do it. So I hope this helps somebody out. Take it easy.